All right, cooker's coming along. Got our top flanges welded on, stitched on the whole way down. Just got to do the back side now. I started out, had this gap back here. So, same gap in the front. And it's just where the angle, the pan kind of rolled down into the angle. But we were able to get it flushed up, just took another piece of angle and covered the edge here. Kind of gave it a more finished look. So pretty happy with that. And it's finally, all that heat that we had to put into it, with this long weld, I clamped it real good and it actually squared it up and made it where, it didn't want to be, it used to be cockeyed a little bit. As far as the top frame goes, it had a lot of tension on it, but it's sitting there relaxed now. You can pick it up, set it right back down to the same spot. So that's good. Hopefully here we're about to stitch this back section on, and when we do, we'll still be good.